Hi Lisa, this is Spencer here from Prime Mercedes. We spoke a little earlier today. I just wanted to give you a few kind of video tours of some of the Airstream options we have here. And let's start with our Airstream Interstate. This is a grand tour, and one of the first things you're going to notice is this awning. This is a 14-foot automatic awning you can retract and extend right here on our panel. We have LED lights across the front here and also underneath the Airstream as well, so get some light. You can put some chairs out here at night, relax outside. It's a great feature. We have this automatic step which comes down when you open up the door to the Airstream, and then come on in and take a look at the interior. So we have lots of headroom. I'm by no means a short person, and I have no issue walking around here. I'm about 6'2". I don't seem to have an issue. We have these Corian countertops, and set into our countertops here is our sink and our 2-burner stove. So a lot of the amenities you'd expect to find in a camper, at home, everything like that will keep you nice and comfortable. We have a microwave with browning unit right here, and our freezer and fridge in here. So lots of storage space. The grand tour comes with a little extra storage, like this kind of pantry setup we have here, as well as trash, some more cabinets along the bottom, and then all along here is extra storage, including this back one. So we have lots of room in there, even to the sides as well, and even more storage behind these seats. We have a great setup here, another television screen, and what's really cool is this one actually comes out and moves. We can angle the screen to anywhere we want. So anywhere in the camper, you can pretty much see the screen and be watching television. We have our very soft, supple leather here in the back. All of our seats are coated with the same technology. And then what happens is these seats fold together like this, and then we'll have our seats here which retract. So what you can see here, you can actually lower this so you can set it back, so you can lean back, kick your feet up, and it will go all the way flat. Now what this does is this creates our bed. So we have 2 more pieces that fold down on the sides there. These fold together, so you have a king size bed in the back of this Airstream. It is super comfortable. You won't be falling in the creases because everything fits perfectly. And then check out this. This is also really cool. This is our full bathroom. So we have a shower curtain, shower, toilet, sink, everything you'd expect to find is available to you here. And then moving forward, we have one of our other TV options here, a little office workstation, and then these 2 front seats spin around so you can put your table down right here in the middle, and just creates a lot more living space, makes it very usable when you're not driving. Super great feature. So Lisa, if you have any other questions about the Airstream, I'd be happy to answer them. Again, my name is Spencer. You can call me directly. My cell phone number is 207-210-4796, or you can email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching, Lisa. I hope you enjoyed.